Here are some things that Jamaican mothers say that I absolutely hate. We can't stand it. Number one, ask your father. From you hear that? That means no. We get a little ketchup there for chop on the food. Just a little bit. Alright, thanks. Why the food never tastes so bad? Put on one, you know, a little bit more salt. Exhibit A. The food in question. Can you show me how to use this funny phone for me now, please? Why nobody no want show me how to use nothing on the phone? Why nobody no want teach me nothing? I want to learn. Why? Because for the 500th time, we show you, but you don't want to learn. It not stick. We are waste of time. We can't bother. Ask somebody else. And the next thing again, Jamaican mothers, they don't like to see you resting. They don't like to see you asleep. And on that note, I'm gonna wake up my son. Daddy! Daddy, forget to go to the bed. I'll fold up the clothes then. Well, I forgot to stand the tradition though. And the next thing again, why every time something there right near to you, but you still not ask somebody to pass it? Why? You know if it's a picnic and tired, do you know? Son, maybe you pass a cup of water there for me, please.